Hi there, this is Teacher Anne and welcome to our mathematics video tutorial. Today we're going to show how telling time is so easy. We'll also be learning the clock face, minute hand, hour hand, and second hand. Soon, you will be able to know how to tell time as easy as 1, 2, 3. So, are you ready? Okay. This is the clock face. It has the number 12 at the top and moves from left to right. So we call this clockwise direction. From 12, we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So as you can see, we have here the small hand and the big hand. The small hand tells us the hour, while the big hand tells us how many minutes we are in the current hour showing. Another thing is, if you have a clock at home, you can notice that there is a moving hand. We called it second hand. For this lesson, the second hand is not needed because actually telling the time doesn't require how many seconds had passed. So let us just use the small and the big hand. Okay, let's start with the hour hand. The small hand, this one. Okay, the small hand or the hour hand, once again, would indicate what hour we are in. So let's say, for example, we have here 1 hour. And if it's pointing at 2, so it's 2 hour. And then so on. Next is our minute hand. The big hand, this one. This indicates, again, minutes. So let's start here. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Just take notes for the following. There are 60 minutes to 1 hour, 60 seconds to 1 minute, and 24 hours to 1 day. Let's say 12 at night to 12 noon, and then going back to 12 at night. Let's say 12 plus 12 is equals to 24. So you can have a 7 o'clock in the morning and 7 o'clock at night. Moving on, let's look at an important part of telling the time. When the time shows this, you can say 7:15 or quarter past 7 because there are 4 quarters on the clock. Let us run through some times. Then we can have some try. What this time? What's the time here? What time is it? Let's try a few more. Okay then, I hope you're going okay with your answers so far. Alright, and that's it for our today's video. Hope you learned something and hope everyone is okay. Thank you so much for listening and see you until next video. Bye!